How to restore backup photos from Google Photos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to restore backup photos from Google Photo. If you want to restore your backup photos, you need to go ahead and follow the simple steps. Open up your Google Photos. When you open it up, then this is how it's going to look like. Here, press the Collections tab at the bottom of your page, and then you need to go ahead and open up your Google Photos. And then you need to go ahead and press on the bin section from the top right. Next thing, what you need to do is go ahead and, locate the particular image that you wish to restore. Press on the restore button. So basically, how you can actually find out the backup photos is that you could go and locate it one after the another. Let's say I'm gonna go with this one. If this is already backed up, then you can see the date, that is backed up items will be in the bin for 60 days, right? So you can see which one has a limited amount of time or which one has a much longer period. That's how you could go and recognize the backup photos and do the same procedure, that is just go ahead and open it up and you could restore your backup photos from Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.